Discover the double dip dream. Supercharge your MAP business with Shoppy Shop's vital patches. Feel that flutter in your chest? That whisper of freedom, picturing lazy mornings with family. No more grinding for scraps? You're on the edge of true financial ease. Master Affiliate Profits, MAP, the powerhouse platform from legends John Thornhill and Omar Martin, has already sparked nearly $1 million in commissions for members. Imagine, you send one simple lead to your optimized MAP landing page, and boom, frictionless enrollment kicks in. Zero cost for them, $600 in free training unlocked, full MAP access gifted. Then, John and Omar nurture your leads for 90 days, your lead follow-up nightmare vanishes. But here's the heart-tugging truth. Most members tap just a fraction of MAP's goldmine. Why? They miss the built-in autoresponder, your secret weapon for double-dip income that floods your wallet effortlessly. Close your eyes. See the breakthrough? Dory O'Neill brings the game changer. Seamlessly plug your own Shoppy Shop store into that autoresponder. For a tiny $59.95 startup, unlock state-of-the-art wellness, beauty, travel steals, warehouse gems, and flash sales. Every click, every buy, you get paid. Juicy residual commissions stack up, on top of MAP earnings. Why your heart races for Shoppy Shop membership? It's products like K-Glow at discount prices. Picture waking alive, vibrant skin glowing, joints dancing free, cravings silenced, sleep wrapping you in bliss. Shoppy Shop members snag premium vital transdermal patches at $29.95 per pack. Retail $39.95 to $60 elsewhere. Less than $1 per day for pill-free miracles. Vital GLP-1 patches. Berberine ignites metabolism. Bitter melon harmonizes blood sugar. Ginseng fuels endless energy. Hops shields with antioxidants. Cravings melt, willpower surges, calories drop, inches vanish. Slip into dream jeans, confident, light, you. Weight loss whispers, I've got you. Vital vigor patches. Glutathione plus NAC guard your liver, blast antioxidants, surge daily fire. Pre-party? Apply 30 minutes before, avoid hangover haze? Hangover haze gone. Wake grateful, conquering days with unshakable stamina. Vital melatonin sleep patches. Melatonin lulls, valerian calms storms, passion flower serenades peace, hops hushes. Drift deep, rise refreshed, laser focused. Johns Hopkins studied it. Better sleep crushes hunger hormones. Vital Max pain patches. Turmeric soothes fire. Glucosamine rebuilds joints. MSM flexes free. Zinc calms. Biofrequencies balance. Move without wincing. Chase kids. Hike sunsets. Enjoy unbound life. Stack for synergy. Metabolic boost. GLP-1 plus vigor plus sleep equals amplified shredding. Energy pack? All-day hero mode. 90 days consistent. Ingredients accumulate, transforming tired to thriving. Hydrate. Drink 8 to 10 cups of water daily. Walk a little every day. Watch miracles unfold. But the real rush? Earnings. As a Shoppy Shop member, you enjoy deep discounts on Vital Patches and more. Vital Patches, K-Beauty glow-ups, travel hacks. Share joy, you profit, that's huge. Earn residual commissions from your sales forever. Residual commissions are paid for every Shoppy Shop sale. Commissions cascade. Friends buy patches for vitality? You're paid weekly. You cash in weekly and monthly. This is life-changing. By helping others save money on their everyday purchases, you make money. It's fun, easy and rewarding. Double dip magic. MAP leads get nurtured by pros. your Shoppy Shop slips in seamlessly. They join MAP, your commission's number 1. They crave patches? Commission's number 2. No extra work, autoresponder handles all. New to MAP? Frictionless start, join free, add. Shoppy Shop, explode your income. Veteran marketer? This integration? Your legacy leap. Feel the pull? That warm glow of abundance, time reclaimed, loved ones beaming? Subscribe, like, comment now. Help others taste this freedom. Rush to yesshowme.com/shoppy for instant access. Questions? Drop them in the comments. I answer everyone. Want to watch testimonials? Just ask. Your double dip destiny awaits. Take action now. Peel that first patch. Claim your empire. See you at the top.